The Guardian Life Insurance Company of America, typically referred to just as the Guardian, is one of the biggest long term disability insurers in the United States. If the Guardian has denied your LTD claim, then you may be wondering what you can do. The good news is you do have options. Hi, I'm Leah Small, supervising attorney here at Chisholm and Kilpatrick, a leading public interest law firm located in Providence, Rhode Island. Today, I'm joined by CCK founding partner Robert Chisholm. Before we begin, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more LTD content. Also, if you need help with your Guardian LTD denial or any other aspect of your LTD claim, please contact us anytime for a free case evaluation.
Thanks, Leah. So, why do so many people have their claims denied by the Guardian?
So, something people should be aware of is that the Guardian also owns Berkshire Insurance Company. And so, if you have an LTD policy through Berkshire, you're also going to be dealing with the Guardian. So, there are a few different reasons the Guardian may deny an LTD claim. They may conclude that you do not provide sufficient evidence to demonstrate that you meet the definition of disability in your policy. They may have also researched your social media or obtained surveillance of you and determined that that demonstrates you are not disabled based on the activity documented. They can also deny claims if the claimant misses a claim deadline. It's important to remember, though, that if they do deny your claim, they're going to put their asserted reasons in a denial letter. And it's really important for claimants to read that denial letter thoroughly to understand the basis for the claim decision.
Leah, that sounds a little complicated. So, once an LTD claimant receives a denial letter from the Guardian and they read it and understand the reasons behind the denial, what do they do next?
So, when you receive a claim denial, claimants have the right to file an administrative appeal with the insurance company. It's important to focus the appeal on the reasons outlined in that denial letter. So, for example, if the Guardian denied your claim because they obtained surveillance and they argue it documents you're capable of certain levels of activity, you want to provide evidence that refutes their position. It's also a good idea for claimants to collect additional evidence to submit with the appeal. Under ERISA, if your claim is governed by ERISA, this is often the last time that you can submit evidence in support of your LTD claim. So it's really important to gather everything you want the insurance company to consider and submit it with your appeal. It's also really important to track your appeal deadlines. Typically, claims will have 180 days to appeal an LTD claim denial. And if you miss that deadline, you could lose out on your rights to your benefits. And so this is typically a really critical time, and it's a good idea to contact an LTD attorney at that point because of the regulations and the rules and how critical it is to not only get an appeal submitted on time, but get all that evidence submitted with the appeal.
So, you appeal administratively to the insurance company, and that's your last chance to sort of paper the file and make your best pitch, so to speak, to get it overturned.
Correct.
Okay. You said that claimants should collect additional evidence as part of their appeal. What are some examples of that?
So there are a few different things claimants can submit. Updated medical records are a good idea, as well as more detailed narrative reports from their treating providers detailing their symptoms and resulting impairments and how that results in disability. Claimants should also consider potentially undergoing additional evaluations or exams, such as a functional capacity evaluation or, if applicable, a neuropsychological evaluation to further objectively demonstrate their impairments and how they prevent them from working. They could also consider obtaining and submitting vocational evaluations, which can evaluate a person's ability to work, or even witness statements from friends, families, coworkers who have observed, again, their condition and their symptoms and how it affects the claimant on a day-to-day basis. As a reminder, it's always a good idea to read your LTD policy to see what evidence it requires, as well as, again, read that denial letter to make sure your evidence is responding to their reasons for the denial. And again, it's a good idea at this stage to contact an attorney if you need help with your LTD appeal.
Thank you, Leah. If you're facing a denial of your long-term disability by the Guardian or any other insurance company, then CCK may be able to help. We've been helping LTD claimants for over 25 years and know how to handle these insurers. You can give us a call or fill out an online form anytime for a free case evaluation with a member of our team. If you'd like to see more of our LTD updates, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Take care and thank you.